Hello everyone, good morning, namaskar. I'm here to share with you how sports in school changed my life and defined my career and also helped me to shape my life. Uh, Before starting, I'm from Varanasi. My name is Tridev Pandey, and if you don't know, Varanasi is the oldest city in the world and also called Banaras and Kashi, जहाँ पे लोग अपने आप में ही मस्त रहते हैं, उनको खाने पीने के अलावा कुछ फुर्सत ही नहीं है, पूजा पाठ and all. So I started my journey from Varanasi. Till 6th standard, I was in Hindi medium school, UP board, and after that, the family pressure and parents, society pressure. My father put me in the English medium school, CBSE board, where I don't feel to go to the school because English पल्ले ही नहीं पड़ता था मेरे. So I don't want to go, and I was in a school very tall and lanky guy, जो हमेशा बीमार पड़ा करता था. So in my school, I was very keep ill in a month, around 7 to 8 days. Either I was in hospital or at home. कि यार मेरे को स्कूल नहीं जाना है because I keep feeling sick, like headache or fever or something. तो इट्स नॉट कि मैं बहाना बनाता था. आई डोंट नो व्हाट वाज देयर एट दैट टाइम. सो इवन माय पेरेंट्स आल्सो नेवर फोर्स मी टू स्टडी और डू स्पोर्ट्स बिकॉज दे नो कि यार हमेशा बीमारी पड़ता है तो इसको क्या ही मैं बोलूँ. सो या I still remember my sports journey started. I saw my brother, my elder brother. He went for the tournament, 3 days tournament, free of cost. He went for in Madhya Pradesh somewhere for the basketball tournament. And once he came back, I saw him wearing jersey with his name and with his school logo. And that attracted me a lot. So I asked my brother कि भैया ये कहाँ से मिला है. तो he said ये मिला नहीं है, इसको कमाना पड़ता है. I said ठीक है बताओ मेरे को, मैं भी करूँगा. तो he took me at the basketball court and we met coach and he said कि यार इसको भी basketball करना है and even he also wants to continue basketball. Coach said okay. Because at that time my height was I think 5'10" or 5'11", so among in my age group or school friends, I was the tallest kid. But again, I had no muscle in my body and no quickness, no sharpness, nothing. As I told you, I keep feeling sick. So I started, but coach doesn't know कि हाँ यार इसके साथ ये सब problem है. So he started training me. And if you don't know or if you know basketball needs so much sharpness, strength to pass, chest pass or long pass or dribble or endurance to keep running here and there because basketball court is 40-meter court where you have to continue shuttle run here and there, here and there. So I started playing and in that also, initially I was not good. So when I started, my coach said कि यार तेरे से तो हो ही नहीं रहा है and I said कि यार मेरे को तो करना है. So I keep practicing even if I was sick or if I feel headache or fever, I never told my parents because something in my mind at that time कि अगर मैं उनको बताऊंगा तो मेरे को जाने से रोकेंगे. And I found a love in basketball, so I thought कि यार study में तो अच्छा नहीं हूँ. I was not good in study and अभी भी नहीं हूँ. If you can see, my English is not that good. So I was not okay to continue study in 7th or 8th standard, but एक मेरे को मोटो मिल गया था कि I'll continue sports because I love going with the teammates. Basketball is team game where you interact with so many people and you every day learn some new skill and you try to do better, make a team game, make a trust to each other with your players and your teammates. So I started playing basketball. I still remember जिस जर्सी के लिए मैंने स्टार्ट किया था, what I asked my brother, तो भाई ने बोला था कि कमाना पड़ता है. After a 1 year training, I got that jersey, but unfortunately, I went with the team, 11 members team, for that competition, but I couldn't get the chance to play any single game. So we played there in Madhya Pradesh 5 game, but not even single game I participated as a best 5 player. So जिसको भी पता है कि बास्केटबॉल में 5 बेस्ट प्लेयर खेलते हैं, बाकी स्टैंड बाई में रहते हैं टू जस्ट कीप चेंजिंग. पूरे 5 मैच में आई डिडंट गेट चांस टू प्ले एनी सिंगल मैच. बट इन दैट टूर्नामेंट I get another goal कि मैंने देखा कि जो कैप्टन है उसके लिए अलग से एक जर्सी बनी हुई है एंड ही हैड अ प्रॉपर कैप्टन की जर्सी एंड ही चूज कि किसको किसको खेलना है एंड नाउ माय नेक्स्ट गोल वाज कि अब मुझे कैप्टन की जर्सी चाहिए सो आई स्टार्टेड playing more. I start keeping bunking classes. So I'm not promoting कि आप class bunk करो because of anything or any sports. But at that time I had nothing in my mind क्योंकि सिर्फ मेरे को sports दिख रहा था और सिर्फ मेरे को jersey दिख रही थी. तो I started playing basketball. I keep bunking my class. I started practicing morning, evening, even sometime in afternoon. घर में ही ball लेके I keep doing dribble and all. So continue में practice करता रहता था. Second year, what happened? I went. God grace, I went as a captain, second year in national, and thank you. So I went as a captain, but unfortunately, very few people fail in ninth standard. I still remember I was fail in ninth standard just because of practice, and no one pressured me because फैमिली को ही पता था कि हाँ यार हमेशा बीमार रहता है. अब एक चीज में अच्छा हुआ है तो इसको मेंटली प्रेशर ना करें, टारगेट ना करें, इट्स ओके. बट they asked me कि you want to continue in same school because now you have to study again with 8th standard children and 8th standard school classmate. तो I said कि हाँ ठीक है because मेरे को क्या है उस समय मेरे माइंड में था कि मेरे को क्या है मेरे को तो पूरा दिन बाहर रहना है, बास्केटबॉल खेलना है, तो कोई भी हो जाके एक आध दो क्लास करना है. एंड आई एम नॉट प्रमोटिंग टू bunk the class. So I started practicing. In third year, again I went as a captain, but unfortunately I was playing national. And in my third national, I break my ligament. So I had a 3 screw in my ligament. And in third national, I broke my knee and 3 ligament. And after that, again my journey stopped. कि यार एक चीज पसंद किया था बास्केटबॉल वो भी अभी नहीं कर सकता. So I came back from Bangalore. वहाँ पे हमारा नेशनल का 17 days का टूर्नामेंट था. I came back from Bangalore with banded knee क्योंकि मैं straight knee भी नहीं कर सकता था. और full tournament last 7-8 days I was like this only. At that time, I came back home and then I told my father कि यार इसको सही करना है because पढ़ाई तो मेरे से नहीं हो सकती, but I'm good in sports, so I want to do something with for me. And I'm telling about this journey is in 2008 or 9. So he said, okay, ठीक है. So he took me at the hospital where Dr. Shagal in Delhi, he operated me, who operated Atal Bihari Vajpayee, both knee transparent. So he did my operation and he suggested me that you can't play outdoor sports because first you have no muscles and second your all 3 ligament is broke, so you can't play outdoor sports. I said okay. I came home operation and I said कि अब क्या करूँ, मतलब एक लाइफ में गोल मिला था, now that also gone, अब मैं बास्केटबॉल नहीं कर सकता. So I don't like anything else instead of sports. तो with knee, with continuing my rehab, I keep going ground में जाके बैठता था, थोड़ा walk करता था, rehab करता था. And again, जिस जर्सी की वजह से मैंने अपना life start किया था basketball, I was sitting in the ground, and I saw one guy who was running with India jersey. At that point, in that ground, more than 600 to 700 people was there, children and athlete was there with different sport, basketball, volleyball, handball, cricket. So in Varanasi, there is a huge Ranji level ground is there. So where one guy who was running with India jersey, and I asked people कि यार ये कौन है, मतलब 600-700 लोगों में एक ही बंदा है जो इंडिया का जर्सी पहन के दौड़ रहा है. तो जो जर्सी से मैंने बास्केटबॉल स्टार्ट किया था, अगेन आई फाउंड वन जर्सी जो अट्रैक्ट किया मेरे को. सो दे आर सेइंग कि तुझे नहीं पता है, ही इज छोटेलाल यादव, ही जस्ट फिनिश्ड 2009 का एशियन गेम्स. आई सेड ओके, इन द बॉक्सिंग. So I said, okay, ठीक है. I just ran towards him with my lanky knee क्योंकि operated था ही, and I couldn't run properly, but I chased him, and I asked him कि in Varanasi, I said, Ram Ram bhai, and he was continuing with the running, and he said, Ram Ram. मैं कहा भाई आप boxing करते हो? He said yes. said, मेरे को भी करना है. So I told my story, past की story. He said, okay, ठीक है. Then he stopped. He taught me few things and he told me कि देख बनारस में तो नहीं हो सकता, you have to move somewhere to learn proper boxing. I said okay, done. And that was long story. I went for the boxing in Allahabad. So I moved to different state, and I moved to Allahabad, Patiala, Sonipat, Panipat, Hisar for playing boxing. And I got 2 state gold medal, 3 nationals, 2 national, 3 All India University with boxing. And in boxing also I achieved something. और उसके बाद मेरा गोल हो गया कि अभी इंडिया का जर्सी मेरे को पाना है. So I was in India camp, Patiala NIS. आप में से जिसको भी पता होगा, out of India 40 best player stay in India camp, and governments sponsor them to reach or to practice for Asian Games, World Championship, Olympics or Commonwealth. So I was there. I started my journey, and again something happened in 2012, pan-India boxing ban because of some reason. So my coach, again Chotelal Yadav, he suggested me to go to Mumbai, and there is new thing, maybe so many people know, CrossFit, and start doing CrossFit because you are good in learning and you are good in skills. So I come to Bombay, I started my CrossFit journey, I start learning new things, new fitness things, I started doing my certification and all. And after 1 year ban, it converted into 2 years. And there was no goal कि अब मैं क्या करूं. So I started training people, and people loved to train with me. And at that time, I trained so many athletes, basketball में, badminton में, tennis में, boxing में. And I trained so many celebrities. Recently, I finished a picture, Chandu Champion. Maybe you guys saw the picture, where I transformed Kartik Aaryan. And especially, I'm very proud that I train him without any injective, without any steroid. We train with hard work and natural supplements. And yes, the whole point of telling this कि जहाँ भी आज मैं पहुँचा हूँ, to reaching towards that journey, the jersey, उसके पीछे भागते हुए, I train so many people. I want to tell you guys कि never compromise or compare with anyone. Try to make your own journey. And if you see fitness in Mumbai or everywhere, there is a lot of myth going on कि ये fit है, six pack is fitness, or those who don't have a six pack, they are not fit. If I give you a comparison, maybe everyone know Ronaldo and Messi. Okay, Ronaldo is good height, aesthetic body, six pack ab, good muscle. At the same time, Messi very athlete guy, but not with good muscles and not six pack abs. But they both are good in their skills, right? So at the end, you have to work hard for your skill, whatever you want to do. You have to continue with the sports. And especially for the young age, I want to say कि अभी मैं जो लोगों से मिलता हूँ, so they keep telling me कि काश अगर मैंने स्टार्ट किया होता अपने अर्ली एज में, काश मैंने अपने स्कूल टाइम पे कोई स्पोर्ट्स चूज़ किया होता, काश मैं फिटनेस को अपने अर्ली एज में स्टार्ट किया होता, तो आज मैं यहाँ होता, आज मैं वहाँ होता. So that काश word should not be there once you cross 30, 25, or once you go out of school. So that caste word should not be there. So I'm ending up with that thought कि I was chasing for my jersey, and now I want to train people to get their own jersey, to get their own fitness jersey, और अपने fitness को ही आप jersey बनाओ. It's not compulsory to train for athlete like an athlete, or to reach at particular level or national or international level, but you should keep fitness in your daily routine to stay long life fit. And thank you so much. I hope some of you inspire and continue. Thank you. Har Har Mahadev.